all you beautiful people, how are ya? And the others too, you know who you are. Welcome to Wisconsin. I'm in Wisconsin now. I'll show you exactly what I got going on behind me, but I'm here at the Ho-Chunk Gaming Black River Falls Casino, doing some overnight parking here in their casino lot. I'm not a big gambler. I will play some games, but they got a good buffet in here. I already looked at it. We're gonna go do that for lunch today. But they have some truck parking, car parking, and then they have designated RV parking with hookups. Okay, so not 30 amp, right? This is just standard 20 amp household electric, but you can use an adapter, and then you can park 3 RVs, one here, and one over where I'm at. You can see the 3 poles. This is the one right next to me. Garbage is full right now. It was full when I got here. I'm over here. I taped it up because mine doesn't have a little case right there, and I don't want the moisture to get in the way, but I'm using my little 30 to 20 amp adapter there. And, well, I won't use the air conditioner or the coffee pot off of this power because I don't want that wire to get too hot. But it's nice to be able to not have to worry about running the generator or not getting solar or something here at the casino. So really nice that they have this available. The cones in this instance are not necessarily for getting people to slow down. The cones are just to say, hey, can you give me room? Can you not block me in here? I know I'm not as big as some of the other RVs, but that doesn't mean I don't want you to park right in front of me and block me in, right? Or sneak in here and use me for shade or shelter. And on the other side, I mean, look how big the lot is, guys. There's lots of room, right? So I've just kind of put my cones out 4 feet, you know, just so you don't put your bedroom window right up against my dining room window. You know, otherwise, let's go inside and get some grub. I skipped breakfast, so I'm gonna eat a really good buffet lunch right now. Starting off basic here. Turkey, chicken, potatoes. And now night is falling. I just wanted to share what this casino looks like at night here. I had one Class A RV join me. Did that light just go out? Or am I tripping? I'm tripping. A little Class A join me right here. The lot is very lit at night. Just something you gotta deal with. And 2 trucks over there. Both of them idling their engines, but they're pretty far away. So, you know, like I said, it's a nice place. It's a quiet place. It's better than a Walmart parking lot by at least 8 times. 8 times better than a Walmart parking lot. So, but you know, this is a little unusual because this isn't any natural beauty. This is strictly lot docking. Yeah, that light is flashing. Why is my new light flashing? That's new. That's new. Okay, well, it didn't take me very long to figure out what the heck's going on with my outdoor speaker Bluetooth light thing out there, because my iPod is connected to 2 things at once. Yeah, this is still connected to my soundbar when I was listening to music, but it also, as soon as I flipped this switch for the outdoor speaker, my iPod is connected to both. So it's playing through the soundbar and outdoor speaker, which is good to finally figure out because I may be in some quiet campground thinking I'm just blasting music or listening to an audiobook inside, where if I turn the porch light on outside, no, I'm broadcasting to everybody. I feel like this should only go to one source at a time. That's very strange. Good to know, though. I will make sure it's off when I turn the outdoor light on. Okay. Are we having a staring contest? What? How are you doing? Can I have that paw? That one right there? I can't have that one? But you weren't using it right now. No, we're just hanging out inside. Actually, you know, I'm trying to think if I really want to do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna play some video games tonight, but here's the thing. The PS4 system is brand new to me as of Christmas of last year, so I'm more of a retro guy. I like Nintendo 64 and PS2, Guitar Hero stuff, but I have been getting into PS4 lately, and I play a few games that are multiplayer games, and so I know I have a lot of subscribers, so this is kind of scary, but what if I share my profile and then ask if some people want to be friends and possibly do some multiplayer games on like a rainy day or something? Okay, so I don't even know if I'm going to give you enough information, but my PS4 profile is Nomadic Fanatic, Eric Jacobs 1463. You'll see the Seahawk logo banner and my face like on YouTube. Okay, so I'm guessing you can search for that. You can add me as a friend, like Facebook or something. I don't know exactly how that works. But, oh, I'll share with you the games I have and the games that I might be wanting to play on multiplayer. You guys already know I'm not normal, so don't laugh. But these are probably in the order that I actually like to play them. My favorite game is MLB The Show 18 right now, and we can multiplayer that, or Madden 18. Also, World Series of Poker, Need for Speed, Pac-Man, MXGP3, a motorcycle game, Doom, Shadow of Mordor, Guardians of the Galaxy, NASCAR Heat 2, Crash Bandicoot, Star Wars Battlefront, Grand Theft Auto 5, Skyrim Elder Scrolls, I'm not even going to say that one, Kingdom Hearts 2.8, oh, and the Golf Club 2. Maybe not all of those are multiplayer games. I didn't even check that first. But anyway, if you play PS4 or you think it'd be fun to like battle or like play a football game together or baseball or a golf or something like that, maybe you should become my friend on PS4. Is that a thing? Man, I'm so out of it. I don't even know. But anyway, just thought I would throw that out there. You guys know where to find me now. I will try to find a way to accept new friends on PS4. Sound good? Okay, cool. I feel like we need some drama music. You gonna kill it, Jax? You don't like it. You don't like that, huh? What are you gonna do about it? You gonna do anything about it? You're not doing anything. Huh? So I'm safe as long as I keep the glove up here. I won't get bitten or back clawed by him. But as soon as the whole hand comes down and touches the belly, this is dangerous. Oh, yeah. Look at those back claws coming out. The teeth don't like it. Yeah, that's dangerous. That's dangerous, huh, Jax? I should just keep it up here like this, where I'm safe, huh? Should we break out the catnip and get high, Jax? Let's get high. Okay, I'll go find the nip. You want to hold on to this for me? Okay, you hold on to it. I'll be back. Are you sharing that? Is that loaded with catnip? Can I have some? Oh, I can't have any? But I thought you were going to share. Ooh, does not want to share. Ooh, you're feisty. That thing is loaded with nip. Where's my nip? Where's my adult nip? Can I have some adult nip while you're enjoying? Ooh, he's dangerous. This is Jax's first toy ever. The original from the very first RV and vans we lived in and everything. We call this Mr. Quackers because he's like a duck. Never found these again. It used to be on a string and have not found a replacement in 8 years. So I don't really let Jax chew on this one because it's just kind of nostalgic. Do you want to cuddle with it? Do you want to snuggle with it? He's like, no. I like this catnip-filled sausage patty. Yeah, I can tell. Good grief, dude. Are you sharing? I know, but I just wanted one link. Holy cow, you're a freaking monster. Look at your heavy breathing and everything. It's probably not dangerous to grab belly when there's catnip involved, huh? I shouldn't grab belly? Oh, I get belly now? You're like in a state of... You're hilarious, man. Are you high? Let me see your eyeballs. Huh? Let me see your eyes. What are you doing with the back legs? Is that dangerous to go there? Whoa, holy cow. Well, okay. Can I have some now? I feel like you've had enough. It should be my turn. So I should probably get some links. No, I just wanted the one link. This one, thanks. Thanks. I'm gonna nuke it up first because I don't like it raw, okay? No. Oh my, good job. Okay. I mean, technically speaking, if you have a cat, you don't need TV, Netflix, movies, video games, or anything. Just catnip and extra gloves. You're slowing down. Is that catnip starting to kick in? It's not? Okay. I kind of beg to differ. You're acting strange. Would now be a safe time to grab some belly? Oh, I can't. Oh, my, what big claws you have. Oh, my. Okay, well, I'm going to steal this then, since you're not... Oh, I can't have that? Oh, that's... You lost it. You lost it, man. Oh, man. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I saw it. Actually, I do have a movie to watch, so I'm going to make some popcorn. I have Ready Player One ready to watch with Jax on the couch. So, we'll watch that. Think it's going to rain tonight or tomorrow? We'll see. We'll get back to you. Well, good morning, everybody. The entire lot is empty this morning. No RVs, no trucks. I don't know. Maybe it's just a one-night thing. They didn't give me a limit. I don't know. No, it was quiet here tonight. So we'll get back on the road and head west. Jackson, I'll see you in a couple days. Bye, guys.